Hello everyone. Let's start with the update that where we are with our mission and vision. As Cashaa, we started to build a new generation banking platform. And with that mission today, we are launching our first product in next few months for the businesses, mostly to serve the crypto community. Because today what happened once our revolution have started, banks and existing financial institutions had started denying the growth of a cryptocurrency or the blockchain community by not giving basic financial infrastructure. While Cashaa is working very hard and determined to build those basic infrastructure so that the blockchain community can grow and bring this next revolution to billions of people. On 8th of June, we did the first recording of POS where more than 8,000 addresses has been recorded, out of which 7,928 addresses will finally receive the 192 million tokens, which has been freed up by rejecting the KYC worth of 14.37 million US dollars. To be reminded that this POS stake will be calculated not only on 8th of June, but every 8th of each month up to December. And based on cash tokens available in these addresses, the distribution will happen. So let's talk about the product, where we are on the Cashaa banking application side. When we talk about the product, it's not just about how much we are developing, but it's also very important that what we are developing is really useful for the community. And as Cashaa banking promises to bring the old money and new money in a same bank account, we wanted to test that some of the industry players can really use our product and started creating benefit for them. After the partnership with Populous, we also onboarded Populous as one of our first customer for our business services. We onboarded more than 1,352 users of Populous and passed them through our infrastructure to test that what we are building is really useful and helping our community and customers. So that was a great test, and which shows that our product is really ready for the business users. And in the upcoming days, we are partnering and onboarding more and more customers on our platform to do our beta test before making this application live for everyone. On the parallel track, on 2nd May, we have launched our OTC exchange. And the purpose of the exchange was not only to enable people to buy cash tokens more easily, but also test our Bitcoin and ERC20 capabilities. So it was like, we did the product, but we also were testing that the crypto part, which we're going to use in our banking infrastructure, is working fine or not, much before launching our full-fledged banking solution. And in these days, we have done more than 156 transactions, and all these transactions have been recorded perfectly with all the compliance and regulation standard which we need to maintain for the banking side. And it also demonstrates that the product is really capable to run in the live environment in such an unsecure environment over the internet. It's been more than 6 months of our token sale, and finally we have started seeing the result of following all the compliance and regulation, which took us days and night oil of our team. I'm really very happy to see that all those work have started resulting into a mature talks with the regulators to get our licenses to start our banking operation. We are now in mature talks with many financial institutions who are appreciating us for the same what we did 6 months ago. On the parallel track, our lawyers are working on very advanced stage with the FCA to get the GBP clearing. While our team is working very hard to launch the Cashaa banking application in the European and UK market, we have not forget the largest unbanked population in Africa. Cashaa have built Africa Payment Alliance, where we are bringing the best ecosystem participant in the payment industry to solve the problem of African market. So far, many companies starting from payments to cash transfer to technology have joined this alliance. And in recent coming months, we will see more details about this alliance and the solution. APA will help Cashaa to build a robust solution for the African market, which can actually solve the problem. And it also will give Cashaa a strategic relations to scale its solution on day one when we enter into the African market. In last few days, there is a question keep coming in the community, and I read the same question which is coming again and again, that Cashaa has always maintained that it is purely a utility token to exist and be solely used within the Cashaa platform and not a cryptocurrency. I think this question starts coming when the Cashaa cash as a token was listed on MegaX store, as a payment method. Instead of answering this question, I would like to put in this way that cash is a utility token only being used in the Cashaa ecosystem. Now, because cash is built on the ERC20 protocol and the tokens are only being controlled by the users or the owners of these tokens. And any business or individual who see the value in Cashaa services will try to accumulate these cash tokens as much as they can. But this does not change the fundamental principle that cash will enable the Cashaa ecosystem and the Cashaa services. And based on this principle, the cash is always remain as a utility token. We have seen many fans coming with their innovative ideas and creating a lot of content for Cashaa to create awareness. I welcome more people to come and join this tremendous fun-loving team, Cashaa Knights, and help your Cashaa to grow. Thank you so much.